my lovely YouTubers and subscribers. Hope you guys all fine. Today I share the different idea about language of flower. Hope you like my ideas. Please share my ideas with your friend and family friends. The language of flowers, symbolism and meaning of the never knew. Delve into a unchanging world of the floral symbolism. Discover the hidden meaning behind popular flower and understand the language they speak. Whether it's love, friendship, or gratitude, every bloom has a story to tell. Before going to video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. In this series, we will delve into a rich history of the language of flower, also known as a explore the intriguing message and emotion attached to different blooms. From love and friendship to emotion like gratitude, forgiveness, and more, each flower tells a unique story. Our passionate team of flower instincts and historians will take you on a fragrant tour. Share the symbolism and meaning of various flowers along with cultural and historical significance. You will amazed at how flowers have been used throughout the age to convey sentiments without saying a word. Join us on this blooming adventure as we uncover the hidden meanings of nature's most beautiful creation. Whether you are a florist, a gardener, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of flower, there's some things for everyone. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up to embark on the journey of discovery and symbolism with the language of flower. Let's unveil the materialize and express our feeling through the art of floral communication. Hope you like my video. Thank you.